I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Review. So today I'm going to be giving you the giveaway announcement information. So if you're interested in that, just stay tuned to the end of this video and you can see the units that I'm going to be giving away. Today I'm going to be reviewing one of the new units that just came out. This is from the Bobbi Boss collection. It is a lace front premium synthetic wig. And I got it in the style MLF371 Ashlynn in the color BN30/27. So this is what the stock card looks like. It says it's premium high heat fiber, so it's safe heat styling. It says that you can create various styles, and it's a unique part. So let's just take out of the box and see what it's looking like. So this is what Ashlynn is looking like straight out of the box. It's pretty long. It has these nice loose curls going on, and it will come pre-styled in this ponytail with hair wrapped around it. So as you can see, this U parting goes all the way around, so it'd just be singular parting in this area. The front has baby hairs. The inside of the cap, one comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. So let's cut the lace off and see what this is looking like. Sorry if you hear music in the background, it's just my ignorant neighbors. But anyways, so one of the first things I noticed heavily about this unit is the shedding was kind of extreme, and I do think that is because of the texture, because it's not necessarily a yaki. If anything, maybe a soft yaki. It's not super silky, but there is more of a silky feeling than there is a yaki, so just beware of that. Also, it is pretty long, so that could have something to do with it. Another problem I have with this unit was the fact that laying the baby hairs down was extremely hard, and I did experience this also with another unit from this line called the Brooklyn. It was also in the same color. Just the baby hairs on these units just seemed really hard to get to lay down, and I tried a multitude of things. I tried using the mousse, I tried using the Got2b, and it was just sort of a struggle. I mean, it's kind of fine now, but just beware that this will not be your typical throw on and go unit, because just the manipulation of the baby hairs themselves. I mean, you could try to brush them into the hairline, but even that, they would still kind of just popping out. So that may be one of your most time consuming points. The styles I pretty much showed you, I feel like it's kind of all you could really do with this unit, because there's no middle part. It just has that U parting, so you could do an updo, half up, half down. You could have a bun, doing it half up, half down, and you could do the left side part and the right side part. So as a whole, I do think this unit is pretty, but would I get it again? No. I mean, the color is beautiful, and I wish they made more so like a yaki sort of version of this, with just a typical 13x4 frontal, because I'm just not really a big fan of the amount of shedding and tangling I was getting with this unit. I wouldn't wear this every day at all, because you'll definitely be getting some tangling. I feel like even if you cut it, you probably will get tangling. So just take that in consideration. This is not your everyday unit. I would say it's more on the lines of a special occasion unit. Okay, so this is all the hair to the front. This is to the side. And this is everything to the back. Yeah, so my final thoughts on this unit are that I think it's cute, a nice little special occasion wig, but I'm just not a fan of all this tangling and shedding that's going on. I feel like it's unnecessary, especially since it's just fresh out of the pack. So I can only imagine how it'd be wearing it outside in a natural environment. That's why I know for sure this is not going to be your everyday sort of unit. That's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. So now let's get to the point that some of you may have been waiting for. I'm going to just show you the wigs that I'm going to do for the giveaway. So the first one I'm going to be giving away, I'll insert clips of me reviewing him, because this is not going to be fresh out of the box. This is going to be units that I haven't worn these outside or anything like that. They've each only been worn one time doing my initial review, so lightly worn, whatever you want to call it. That's how I'll be giving them away. These ones do have the stock card, and they're in the bag with the netting still on them. So the first one I'm going to be giving away is the MLF371 Ashlynn in the color TT1B 2730, and I did unravel this one, so hopefully you weren't looking to get it with the braids, because that's going to be a no-go for you. So that's the Ashlynn. I'll just insert the clip for you to see. And the other one will be the Bobbi Boss Arika in the color number 4. So this is her on the stock card. So to do this giveaway, what you're going to want to do is, I'm going to do it pretty much similar to what I did last time. You're going to just like this video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. You're also going to have to follow my Instagram page, which is Half Baked Beauties. You're just going to have to comment down below a number 100 to 250. I'll leave all the details in the description so you just know. So that was like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, comment down below a number between 100 and 250, and you're also gonna have to make sure you're following my Instagram page, which is Half Baked Beauties. So I hope you guys enter the giveaway. I'm gonna be closing it out on Friday, so that'll be the last day for anybody to enter, and I'll be announcing the winners on either Saturday, Sunday, or Monday. I'm leaning more towards Sunday or Monday, just because my work schedule. So yeah, it'll definitely be closed on Friday, and then I'll announce it at the beginning of the week. I'll let you guys know. That's pretty much all I have to say in this video. So thank you for checking this video out. Hope you're into the giveaway. If you like this channel, just give me a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.